Hi. Are you happy today? Huh? Are you happy?
You say cracker?
Oh, good job. Nice. Good job. Can you say happy?
Happy.
Oh.
You say hi, Gaga?
Yeah.
Say hi. Can you say B? Oh, say I love you.
Baba.
Can you show us how you walk?
Go.
Cracker? Yes, good job. Will you walk for me? Show me how you walk. Are you going to show us your piano skill? Yeah? Oh, lay back. You got some toys under your head. Hey, chicken, you want to get up and walk? You got to show Gaga and Aunt Bee. Ah, toys in your face. Good job. Do you love Gaga? Griffin, will you come walk over here? Can you walk? Oh, show us how you really walk. What he keeps going to. So, Gaga, he really knows how to walk. He's been walking for the last week. What in the world? It's because he knows that you're going to watch this video. There you go. Good job. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.